Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Suncorp Bank. Now, firstly, to create an account in the Suncorp Bank, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once you've opened up a web browser, on the search bar type in SUNCORP and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now in this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you'll be redirected to the home page of the Suncorp Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login option, you'll be redirected to the login page. If you have your login details, simply fill in your details here and then click on this login option. And if you want to register for your new account, simply click on this register for internet banking option. After you click on that option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to fulfill 3 steps to register for internet banking. Now the first step is to read all these terms and conditions and then click on this next button. After you click on this next button, in step 2, you'll have to tick on this terms and conditions option and then click on this accept conditions option. After you do that, now you'll be redirected to the final step. Now in this step, you'll have to fill in all these details and then simply click on this next option. Once you click on this next option, and if your details are filled properly, and after verification, your account in the internet banking of Suncorp Bank will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the Suncorp Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.